Oh dear.
So cool. Little butterfly. Hi, little butterfly.
Nice smile.
Aw.
Yeah. I'm your favorite.
So you guys are done trick or treating?
Yeah, we shut up the house and came over here.
Awesome.
That's adorable.
Ran out.
And we're here for the night now.
Sarah, you're missing a
I
great
know, that's...
photo op.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Butterflies don't poop.
Ah.
And then it's only nectar.
And Sarah was going to be in there with you.
Nectar poop.
You. Come on, get Sarah in there.
Aw. They're just trying to get you.
All I have is baby line.
Zoe, you can walk now. Stand up.
You guys. Are you gonna sweep?
She said she was the one that was giving out all the candy. We gave
Aw.
her, and she
You
put
can
it in.
stand up.
That's
now.
awesome.
And she finally, after about
Yeah, trains.
Stop it.
Yeah. Here. Let's leave those down. And you can go over this
All
way.
this giving.
Ian, sit. She's asking you to sit down with her.
I can do that.
They're both birds. They're cousins.
She's trying to give you the square, Ian.
They're related.
Square Ian.
They're good together.
Oh, Zoe, you're so sweet.
She is.
Oh my gosh, you break my heart. You just love your kids.
What is it? What did she say? What did she say?
Stick it. Stick it inside the shape.
She's got such a big smile when he's around.
Big shoes, huh? Chad had this mask on and went out with
Are you videoing?
Yes. Don't mind me. I'm capturing a moment.
so
It really is.
Running towards him, he's like, yoy! Watchdog.
There must be a family thing with those swag lamps. Chad, too. Yeah.
With the what?
Swag lamps.
Oh, the swag lamps.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all about the swag. Well, we're not too concerned about the lamps, but we're definitely about the swag.